Okay.
Which we help
Chris,
you with.
Chris, we're on. Chris,
What? We're on.
Chris. So, we never knew this bird
Until today.
until today. We just found him a few
We
minutes ago.
tried. It was starting to eat.
It was really weak and
We tried to
It was-
save you.
dying. But in the end, we couldn't do anything about it. We even tried to feed it some bread, but it just didn't eat.
Well,
So-
it died before I got it.
So in the end, it just let go, and let's hope his spirit roams free like he lived on the earth. May God be with you, John Bird. And I hope that I will never forget you, and I hope that Chris will never forget you, and I hope you have a happy afterlife.
We will never forget you. And we're gonna put the stick right here to make you breathe. No, you couldn't try helping.
You feel sorry for this bird. Chris?
Goodbye. Yes, goodbye. Well, it's gone now.
Yes, it is. I just put some sticks around it so the wind doesn't
Roll him away.
like it did to his soul. And you know how people always...
Wait, then you should.
No, that's it. Okay, it's great.